make it a little bit more interesting than usual, okay? Usually I would just tear this apart however I can, but this time I'm only going to be tearing them apart with whatever the heck Paul decides that I can use. So Paul, go and get me something to tear this apart with.
All right, so I'm in charge of getting Ameerah some stuff to cut slime. That's gonna be tricky. Either make it hard or easy. What do you think? Can you cut slime with that? With fire? Or with a wrench? Okay, so this might work, but I don't want to give her things that are too sharp. Check this out. Oh yeah, these are wire cutters.
Okay, first thing we're gonna do is this. I know it doesn't look like much, but I'm gonna turn it into more. Paul, please give me the tools. First we have this. This isn't too bad, Paul. I'm gonna put them into this. This is actually great, Paul. I thought you were gonna bring me like a freaking spaghetti noodle. Come on, Paul. How am I supposed to do anything with a spatula? Oh, it's gone, guys. I snapped off a piece. Well, it's kind of cracking. It's kind of working. A screwdriver. I did it! It turns out just force works. Ow, I hurt my thumb. I hit like a funny bone. That's a measuring cup, Paul. No, it's gonna break if I do it. A scoop. I don't like it. A plate? Paula! Don't try and break slime with a plate. That's dangerous. Gonna be Paula! This is terrible. Oh! Scissors! What did I drop? I broke your scissors, Paul. This is exactly what I needed. I'm done with this slime. Really easy. Here's the slime. Now I'm gonna put water in it and a piece of plate for good luck. Next slime is this one. Paul, give me a tool. We get the magic squash again. You know what would be better? It's if I add the water first and then I start poking at it. Now this should be softening up and I'm okay. Oh yes, it should soften. No! It should soften up. I've got a paintbrush here now. I'm gonna grab the paintbrush. I mean, it's like a heart. Scissors! I got in there. Oh, this is dirty. Nothing's happening. I don't like this, Paul. It's unsafe and unpleasant. You have to think, ow! It worked. I was gonna ask you for something sharp, but you gave me a spatula, which actually is better. Excuse me, you weren't, because I actually do need a spatula. I just need some more water. Yeah, yeah. There it is, the heart of the slime. Thanks, Paul, that was great. Next slime is this little beauty bowl, and it's not much, but it's gonna be the hardest. So first, I'm gonna add some water. All right, Paul, give me my tool. No, wait, it's actually working, guys. Man, this is difficult. I'm really hoping that I don't destroy this bowl. Are you not gonna give me any? Ah! This isn't gonna do anything. Ah! These are more dangerous. Yay, a spatula. I need more water. Come on. I don't want to use this spatula anymore. I don't want this one. I'm done with that one. That didn't work, Paul. I don't like this either. Oh wait, it's working on the sides. Scissors, you just took that away from me and you're giving me some now. Ah! That was all your fault, Paul. My pie fell everywhere. I don't like this.
Here you go.
A wrench socket? No, thank you, Paul. That's really gonna help. And I am finished for now. 3 days, I will be back for you guys. And we are back. We are back, and it's been like 3 days. I have this pink slime right here, and it actually looks like it really worked, like very well. I haven't opened it, so I don't know what's in here. My guess is like just a bunch of like glue and chunks probably, but hopefully it's mostly smooth. Ooh, it's actually very good. There's chunks like I thought, but it's workable, and that's what's important here. This is crazy. That thing was literally like a disc. It's not bad. I feel like I'm probably gonna have to sit here and knead this for a while, but it's got a lot of potential. I just gotta figure out what I wanna turn it into. This part is still kind of dry, so that's why it's like clumpy. So I'm thinking if I manage to get all of this glue part into it, it will become a pretty nice slime. This is actually really cool. Okay, so the chunks are actually going away really easily, but I think I'm still gonna have to add some activator. I don't think it's enough. It's kind of like a jiggly slime. There we go. Now it's working. You know what we should make this into? We should turn this into a foam, because I don't do many foams, and we need more foams. It is kind of like a rippy texture. So I might have to add like something that will make it stretchy, like instant snow or clay, but I don't want to add clay too much. Okay, so I finished kneading it, and here it is. It's very rippy, but I got the best idea ever. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen or heard, but if you haven't, on TikTok, there's this new like sauce that's like super trending. It's called pink sauce. It's kind of questionable because it's got like weird ingredients and it's not FDA approved, and it's usually hot when it arrives. So I'm gonna make it out of slime because it's literally almost the perfect color. That is another thing though, is that it always changes color, but this is one of the colors I saw, at least the first one. So first I'm gonna add a bunch of lotion to this to make it droopy, because apparently people say it's very runny. Then I'm gonna add some glitters. It's gonna be very simple. I'm not gonna add any like foam beads or anything. I'm just gonna try and make this very runny and kind of saucy. I don't know how, but I'm gonna try. This is actually so crazy though that this is literally a hard disc. Okay, we add more. Okay, I think it actually is working really well. It's really droopy now. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, now I'm gonna add some black glitter to it, just a little bit, and then some gold glitter. Don't want to add too much because then it doesn't look right. And then we're gonna add some dragon fruit themos. And I know this isn't necessarily gonna make it look like it, but I thought it would kind of be fitting because I think the reason why it's pink is because it's got dragon fruit in it. That would be a good idea. And I'm done. Here's my pink sauce. Oh, this is so funny. This is my pink sauce, guys. I am in love, guys. This is great. Okay, let's get on to the next one. This one, I think this is my favorite. I know I haven't done my other ones, but this is gonna be my favorite. Next slime is this, and it's got a bottle in it because Paul saw that the slimes weren't falling all the way down, so he decided, why not put a bottle? I don't even remember how this slime looked. However, it's looking better now. Look at that. There is a lot of slime on the bottom that hasn't like really liquefied. I'm gonna pour it onto the table and hopefully I can activate it. This one is literally white slime, so I can do whatever I want. I need some activator. There we go. I made so many slimes and I don't know what to do because like I want to make it different. I don't know how. So I decided I am going to make this slime a milk slime. It's all jiggly and it's white. Okay, but I'm not just gonna finish there. I'm gonna make it into like a DIY chocolate milk slime because I have this chocolate mold I haven't used yet and I really wanna try it. So I'm going to put brown clay in it and we're gonna make a chocolate, and then it's gonna be a DIY chocolate milk slime. It's gonna be cool, just wait. And I'm done with the milk jar. It actually looks really, really cool, and I have my chocolate bar. Ooh, it looks so cool. I love it. Okay, I'm finally done. I didn't get it all out, but it's good enough. Now we make my chocolate milk. I hope this mixes well because there's a lot of activator in this slime since it's jiggly. Okay, and I'm done with my chocolate milk. I like this one. I thought it was pretty cool. The slime isn't great. I will admit that it's pretty rippy, but I like it. Okay, next slime. We are on the next slime and I'm concerned. This looks bad. I don't think this is fixable. That doesn't smell very good. But I actually have literally the perfect idea for this, guys. It's gonna be so freaking good. Just wait. It had to be done. I think that one was a success too. What do you guys think? Okay, but my other two, those ones turned out really, really cool, especially this pink sauce slime. I am absolutely in love with it. Let's forget about the other slime and just look at this one. I love it. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys comment down below if you can. Or just press that like button and the subscribe button and the bell button. And that is it. Love you so much. I really hope I see you next time. Bye.